Wow, what a morning. We are getting ready to head out. I'm so trying to get his pack on. It's so heavy he can't. Oh, look at the ducks. So we're saying bye to Four Pines.
Thanks. Hey, we appreciate it.
Thank you.
Great.
Bye, Ellie Mae. Beautiful trail. Beautiful trail this morning. Beautiful weather. Oh, so pretty. Uh-huh. Look at this big old bear cave. Ooh. This is a Sawtooth Ridge. So we're gonna go up here and take a look at these. This is pretty cool. Worth a little side excursion. Wow, check this out. Look at that. You can climb up there. I don't think I'm gonna do it, but beautiful morning. Very windy. I think we may have just come from down there somewhere. So the trail does not convey just how narrow and steep. This is like way back in North Carolina. Whew. Yikes. Scary. Pretty close to McAfee Knob. Stopped off at a nice brand new shelter. This is Catawba. Really pretty brand new shelter. Look at those stairs. Holy cow. And there's a privy and there's a spring. So taking a break here for a minute and then heading on up. Look at this. Anybody recognize this?
Yeah. She's not actually on the edge right now. It's actually 16-inch.
Okay. I thought it was sweet.
That is some view. Look at this deck. Is this not fancy? We made it to Campbell Shelter. And look. Ah, bear box. Awesome. Privy. Awesome. Picnic table. Even more awesome. So I think we've got our spots picked out. Mr. Texoma is right there. And I'm going to set up right in this little spot right here. Perfect for me. Alright guys, I am cozy in the tent in my sleeping bag. It's a little bit chilly out there with the wind. Epic day, getting to see McAfee Knob.
Very exciting for me in Texoma. This has kind of been on the bucket list for a while. Gonna probably try to do 15 into Daleville tomorrow. It's gonna be a pretty long day. Today was kind of short. After the climbing and all that, we ended up stopping at around, I think we did around 7 miles only. So we got to make some miles tomorrow. Anyway, it was a great day. Thanks for following along, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.